dangerous, and captivating. Witness colossal machines in action and experience moments of pure exhilaration. Let's dive in. That's a sizable fur, but the steel MS-462 is more than capable. Note the precise felling cuts. A notch to control the direction of the fall, then the back cut to release the tree. A textbook example of safe and efficient tree felling. Oh my goodness, that was a close call. I mean, those guys were taking down a massive tree without any proper safety gear. A branch could have easily fallen, and that would have been disastrous. Thank heavens everything turned out all right. Hauling these monster logs is no joke. You gotta know your truck inside and out, read the road like a book, and respect the weight you're carrying. These guys make it look like a walk in the park, but believe me, it's a tightrope act. Every corner is a gamble, every mile a badge of honor. I believe it's best to leave tasks like these to professionals if you want to avoid potential dangers and financial losses. That Stronken killer is a beast, and this operator knows how to tame it. Whoa, did you see that? That stump's gone, and the pavement's still in one piece. Whoa, those skidders hauling timber never cease to amaze me. They're like ants carrying loads many times their own weight. It's mind-blowing. Wow, that's a truly massive tree trunk. Do you think it's thousands of years old? Oh my goodness, and look at the gorgeous wood grain. I bet anyone would love to have a piece of furniture made from this tree. The Log Max 7000 XT is a testament to engineering prowess. Its 80-centimeter cutting capacity coupled with the LogMate 510 control system delivers unparalleled efficiency. The active friction control technology is a game-changer in terms of machine longevity. It's a truly remarkable harvester. Imagine traversing thousands of miles, solo, with only the radio and the road for company. These modern-day nomads, kings and queens of their rigs, embody resilience and independence. Their journeys are a testament to the human spirit's boundless capacity. Excellent execution. This is what years of experience and dedication look like. A perfect demonstration of precision and safety. A true inspiration to the next generation of tree fallers. Oh my goodness. Have you seen the Ramtech Extejo in action? It's absolutely mind-blowing. It latches onto those tree stumps with such precision and lifts them effortlessly, as if they were mere toys. I can't believe my eyes. The sheer size and power of this machine is astonishing. This is the coolest tool I've ever seen, hands down. Anyone else see this? This guy's in trouble. Let's see if he makes it. Place your bets, folks. Will he conquer the hill, or will gravity win this round? Ever wondered how a firewood production line works? Prepare to be amazed by Petzolato, cutting and splitting plant TLA-22 and TB-1200 for firewood production. This video is sure to leave you excited and satisfied. The Rotten H21D excels in processing heavy timber with its 305 horsepower engine and advanced hydraulics. Its RK310 crane and SP761LF harvester head enable efficient handling of large trees. Built for demanding conditions, the H21D stands out as a top performer in forestry operations. Winter logging? Dude, that's like the ultimate test of man and machine. Everything's frozen solid, and you're slipping and sliding all over the place. But then this bad boy rolls in, the Timberjack 810B. It's like, snow, ice, bring it on. This thing's got power for days, and it's stable as a rock. You want to talk productivity? This beast is going to make your jaw drop. Seriously, it'll have you high-fiving trees. This scene perfectly captures the essence of hard work and determination. The scent of freshly cut wood, the rhythmic sound of the saw, and the man's unwavering focus create a powerful image of resilience and strength. Hey everyone, check this out! Splitting firewood just got a whole lot easier with this awesome DIY log splitter and Stipa crane. Imagine effortlessly tackling logs nearly 3 feet in diameter. With 30 tons of splitting power, this bad boy can handle anything you throw at it. What do you guys think? Have you seen anything like this before? Holy moly! It's like a scene straight out of a monster truck rally. Anyone else seeing this madness? Drop a comment, let's freak out together. Please exercise extreme caution when operating these tools. This video instructs us on how to determine the direction a tree will fall. The first method involves creating an undercut, which conserves wood and controls the tree's falling direction. The second method utilizes two metal wedges of equal length placed on the edges of the undercut, and the wedges will indicate where the tree is about to fall. It is equally important to wear full protective gear and never lose focus while working.
Okay.
Next time we'll work on some safety.
The Gladiator. M12 Turbo Sawmill from Turbo Sawmill is a powerful and versatile device designed for both professionals and woodworking enthusiasts. Equipped with a 30 horsepower Honda engine and featuring bi-directional cutting capability, the machine can efficiently process standard 30 centimeters by 30 centimeters logs and cut logs up to 28 centimeters by 61 centimeters. With its automated functions and durable frame, it is an excellent choice for optimizing the sawing process